Are you actively looking for a way to hide your online status on Instagram? Maybe you don't want somebody to know that you're online, or you're trying to avoid that person. Well, don't worry, I got you. So once you open up Instagram, head over to the bottom right and select your profile icon. Then go to the top right and choose the three lines. Scroll down until you see something which says how others can interact with you. Now the first option you should choose is messages and story replies. Then look for a heading which says who can see that you're online. Choose show activity status. Quick reminder, if this video is helping you out, then consider subscribing and liking the video because it really helps the channel out. Alright, so it says here show activity status. It says here allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. Now on default, this is going to be left on. And if you don't want anybody to see that you're online, followers or friends, simply just toggle it off. This way, nobody will know that you're online. And there you go.